Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. My name is Kamaldeep. Today we're going to discuss the IBPS PO 2020 job profile. Okay, so why should you watch this video? To get some motivation and knowledge regarding the IBPS PO. Okay, so first of all, IBPS PO 2020 job profile. As you know, IBPS PO is one of the most sought posts among the bank aspirants, and it is the first step in banking industry as an officer. Okay, and you know, the exam of IBPS PO 2020 will be conducted in the month of October 2020. Okay, in October 2020 you are going to get exam details. Okay, to achieve the best results, aspirants need to do well informed about the IBPS PO job profile that will provide you with the necessary knowledge and motivation to crack the IBPS PO 2020 exam. Okay, so if you know about the job profile, you will get some motivation to crack this exam. As you know, the lakhs of aspirants prepare for this IBPS PO probationary officer every year. Okay, the competition is increasing day by day. Okay, so to start your preparation or giving a finishing touch to your preparation, you should know all about the IBPS PO profile. Okay, so see, first of all, we have this IBPS PO designation. What is the designation IBPS PO will get? So he will get AM, Assistant Manager designation. What I'm saying, he will get Assistant Manager designation. This post is also known as JMG Scale 1. What is this JMG? So this one is Junior Management Grade 1, or you can say JMG Scale 1. Okay, so Assistant Manager is also known as this, or you can simply say Scale 1 Officer. But you can say this one is Scale 1 Officer. So this is the designation of IBPS PO. Now second, what is initial posting of PO? So selected PO go through an induction training. First of all, you will have this induction training program in management training academies of the bank. Okay, so first of all, this induction training will happen. This training lasts for 10 to 20 days, and the duration of training varies from bank to bank. Okay, so this may vary from 10 to 20 days depending upon the banks. A PO can be posted anywhere in India. So your posting can be in whole India. Okay, after completion of their induction training in management trainee academy. Okay, so if your induction is completed, you can be posted anywhere in India on the probation period. So what is this probation period? I'll explain it later. Okay, first of all, see one more thing. They are posted as assistant manager on probation different branches, or head office, or corporate office, or zonal offices. So you will be provided posting in head office, or in different branches, or in corporate office, or in zonal office. So these all are included there: zonal office, or your head office, or you can say your corporate office. Okay, so your posting can be in these offices: corporate, head, or zonal offices. They may be posted in specialized branches like microstate branches or treasury branches, etc., as per placement policy of particular bank. So you can also get posted in microstate branch, or in treasury branch. Okay, so you can also get posted here. So you have these 5 posting: corporate, head office, zonal office, microstate, or treasury branches. You can get posting here. So after this, I am going to discuss this probation period. So duration of probation period. Usually the probation period of PO is 2 years. You will get probation period for 2 years, but in some banks it can be of 1 year also. It depends entirely on upon bank. Okay, during the probation period, you will be exposed to the various aspect of banking sector and its working. So what you will do in probation period, you will be exposed to many things and various aspect of this sector, how to work as a PO, or what are your responsibility as a PO. You will know all these in these 2 years, okay, or in this 1 year. I hope this one is clear. In some banks, the probation period is divided into phases which varies from banks to banks. Okay, for example, in Indian Bank, your PO training or your probation period is done in 3 phases. In the first phase, it will be of 6 months. Your second phase will be also of 6 months, and your third phase will be of 1 year. So, for example, this in Indian Bank, this probation period is done in 3 phases. Okay, and this can vary for another banks. Okay, so for another bank it can vary. Actually, in some bank it could be in 2 phases also. In some banks it may be in 1 phase only. Okay, so it entirely depend upon the bank. The officer under probation period may undergo frequent transfer or deputation. So you can be transferred from one state to another during your probation period. That can happen also. Okay, so just be ready for the deputation or your transfer. Once the probation period is completed, the officer is confirmed as an assistant manager, and you will get the permanent posting. What you'll get? You'll get your permanent posting there. After this period, after this probation period, if probation period is completed, you will get assistant manager as permanent post. Okay, now what is the role of PO in the banks? This should be a very important point. What is the role of PO in the banks? So first role is, I have already mentioned here, multitasking. So first of all, we'll see IBPS PO are capable young officers who have plenty of potential and a great zeal and passion toward achieving their goal. So what you will assign these tasks. First, multitasking job, practical knowledge, customer service, supervision of clerical work, loan processing. So in multitasking, what you're gonna get? You're gonna get for various banking activities. This helps you to get familiar with various working procedure of banking industries. Okay, so you'll get familiar with. So in this multitasking, you're gonna get familiar with all the banking activities. Okay, now second one is practical knowledge. So you will be trained in various fields such as marketing, your accounting, okay, your loans and advance payments. Okay, so you will be given some training of this marketing, accounts, and your loans and advance industries. Okay, so I hope this practical knowledge is also clear to you. Practical knowledge is given to you through training. Okay, now see third one is your customer service. Often PO are required to handle the customers in the bank. You'll see, if you ever go to a bank, you'll see some officer or someone will take care of your all the things. So those are either officer or a clerical staff. Okay, but you should also know as a PO the customer service. So what are customer service? First, you have to handle the customers of the bank. Okay, also you will have to know about the banking facilities and products. You will have to you will have to also help them in issuing the checkbook, ATM cards. Okay, ATM cards or DD, or making in demand drafts. So these all are come under the customer service. So sometime you have to listen the customer complaints also. You have to listen the customers' complaints. Okay, and you have to handle those all situations as a customer service there. Okay, now next point is your supervision of clerical work. Whatever the work clerk will do, you have to supervise that. So what is that clerical work? Such as managing cash, you have to supervise that. Opening account, you have to supervise that. Okay, customer dealing, I've already told you, here you have to deal with, you have to handle some customers also, and you also have to you also have to supervise the customer dealing of a cleric. Okay, okay, now move to next. In case of cash transaction, PO is responsible to check whether clerk entered everything correctly and approve the transactions. Okay, so this one is also very important. You have to approve the transactions. Approve the transaction done by clerical. I hope this one is very clear to you. Done? Now move to the next one. What is next? Next and not last. Okay, the loan processing. One of the major function of the bank that is providing to loan to needful as taken care by a PO. So this loan processing is done by an PO. Okay, PO does all the documentation under her supervision before granting the loan to customer. So you have to supervise all the document. Okay, you have to supervise all the documents submitted by customer. After that, you will process his or her loan. So at last, PO works in various departments of the bank. It can deposit loans and advances, clearing pensions, payment and check clearance also, FD, ATM and internet banking, credit card, report making and etc. So there are these various departments and PO has to supervise all these things. Okay, so these were the roles for the PO, and I hope this is very clear to you. And if this is clear to you, you will I think you will get motivational thing that what are your work and what you have to do in the bank. So that's why I just give you this knowledge of these things. Okay, now see, I also want to give you some IBPS PO career growth, or you can say promotion, when you will get promotion as a PO. So junior management grade scale 1 means when you will start the job, you will be under this grade, JMG scale 1 or officer, or you can say directly PO. So after that, you will get promoted to this middle management grade, MMG scale 2, or you can say you will be manager, or this PO is known as assistant manager, AM. Now next one is middle management grade scale 3, or you will say senior manager. After that, you will become senior management grade or scale 4, or you will be designated as chief manager. After this, you will be promoted to senior management grade scale 5, or you will be known as assistant general manager. After that, you will go to top management grade scale 6 actually, and you will be known as deputy general manager. And the most will get to this general manager. If they start working from this PO, they can definitely get to this general manager actually. So top management grade scale 7, so you will be known as general manager of the bank. And after that, this executive director, and after that CEO, or you can say the CMD, chairman and managing director. Okay, so this was the last scale of the bank. So I hope this one is very clear to you. What are your promotional scales? Okay, and what were the roles of IBPS PO? So I have already told you what are the roles: multitasking jobs, practical knowledge, customer service, supervision of clerical work, loan processing, and all these works plus this promotion. Okay, so I hope this video is very clear to you. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment box. So daily we conduct a IBPS RRB rank booster quiz. This quiz is live at 10 a.m. daily at Entry app. In this quiz you will get 15 questions for 15 minutes. Link of this quiz is given in the description box. Go to the description box and click on the link and you'll get this Entry app. If you like the video, please like it, comment on it and share it as much as possible. So thank you very much. We'll meet you again.